Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to another In the Post. This has been designated In the Post number 30 and we start off with a German banknote. This is what they call a very high value banknote. It was one from 1920s and it's what's called a Notgeld, N-O-T-G-E-L-D note. It had a limited distribution and a limited time in which you could use it. So there will be more on that when we get to it. I have next the coloured and also two blue card versions of this coin, which is of course the Hogwarts School. The second one's there is a Hogwarts School. This coin is the colour and the bunk, blue card bunk version. I am expecting hopefully soon also the strike your own version, which is the colour strike your own, or should I say it is the colour strike your own coin, which I'm hoping very much that my friend Bo Selector will get me. I have placed an order with him for it, so that will be the second lot. What I also got with that was a Gold Edge trading card, which happens to be the 50 Years of Pride, which I think I've already got. And I also got this postcode of Hermione, which was an unexpected but delightful pleasure to have. So that's those coins there. Again, I will be doing a review on these coins and telling you what I think and what I expect and how much I'm hoping that they do a second series. The next coin that I bought was a silver coin, and for this one I think we're going to need to get a lot closer. Whoa! Let's just... There we go. This is a silver coin. It is one of the new series of coins that I'm currently collecting. It's an Isabella II coin. I do have some copper coins from the same period. This one's a silver one from 1848. So I will be doing more on that particular coin as I get it. I also at the same time, got to go back out again now. Sorry, go back out again. Got a huge amount of French stamps that came with this coin, even though it's a Spanish coin. The person who sold it to me was in France, and I got some absolutely wonderful stamps there. They are really, really good. So I'll be sort of giving you another look at those when I do that Isabella coin. Right, the next two coins were ones I originally saw on Dave's channel. That's Dave at Northeast Coins. They're two breast cancer coins. I do have a collection of breast cancer coins, including the Gibraltar £2 coin. This one is the Canadian coloured one, and this one is the Panama one. Now, Dave showed both of these on his channel a few weeks back, and I went, oh, very nice. I do have a collection of breast cancer coins, and I managed to find two of them, and they weren't overly expensive. So shout out to Dave for putting me in the right direction for those two. Next, I have a set here of 4 of the 5 coins from Canada that are silver coins from 1967 that depict animals on them. And the lady who gave me my last coin also very kindly sent me a freebie, and that was a 2017 coin with an animal on, which was a 2017 turtle. So I'm very much looking forward to doing a video on those. I'll be doing getting a bit of research on them, and we'll take it from there. And the last coin in this particular in the post is one from another collection I've started off, and that's German states, pre-World War German states. A lot of them are pre-World War One. This one comes from 1816 and shows Frederick William III. It's a 6 thaler coin. Again, I will be giving you all the information on this coin when I do my review. And just to give you a quick look, it's like a lot of coins from this era, it is quite dirty and it's quite tarnished, but you expect that from a coin that's nearly 120 years old. So that's my stuff that I've got in this week. I've done I did a few this week. I've done sort of 3 in 3 weeks of these in the posts to keep on top of what I was buying, so you could see it and see what I was going to be doing reviews on in the future. I hope you've enjoyed these reviews. I've now caught up to date as of the as of April 1st. I do have some things outstanding which will be coming to me, which will be as part of In the Post 31. However, if you haven't yet subscribed, then it doesn't cost you anything, and I would love to have you along for my journey through coins and banknotes and militaria and some collectibles that I look at. It doesn't cost you anything, so please, if you have enjoyed this, give me both a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, as I would like to grow the channel to 250 by the end of this year, which means to say I need about 100 more subscribers by the end of the year. Is it impossible? Well, I'll find out. I think I might have set myself a bit of a stiff target to get to. However, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. If you're having a coin hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins or buying anything from wherever you're buying it from, I hope you can get it at the price that you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-ra now.